let's work on animating the F-shape controller. Now there aren't any F sounds in this animation, but we do have a V sound in the word have. And have you seen the rest of my body? Okay, and we've only got one section to animate this controller in, so let's get to it. We'll go to our facial animation preset, and we'll select the control that allows us to move our F shape around it. It's actually going to be the translate Y, okay, that will be moving. So I'll just go ahead and undo that. Let's also focus our range slider in, and the area we're going to be working on, which is going to be right here. The character saying have. So first we'll isolate the movement where we want it to start and end. So we'll have it start at about frame 188. We'll just key the translate Y at 0 there. And we'll have it end right where the character saying you. So on frame 193, we'll also key the translate Y at 0. And we'll actually have the shape occur, the V shape, occur on frame 191. So let's go ahead and bring the control up a little, like that. But notice the mouth needs to be, the bottom lip needs to be up a little bit more because the teeth should be biting down on the bottom lip. So we'll need to adjust our jaw control for that. So we'll select it, and the first thing we'll do is slide this key on frame 190 over just one frame. Okay, so we could have some spacing here, some good spacing where we can put another pose. And this pose, let's add it on frame 191. We'll go to our translate manipulator so we can move our jaw, and we'll just translate it upward just so that the teeth are now biting down on the bottom lip like that. Okay, so when we scrub through, here's what we get. Okay, so let's see how this movement looks now in a play blast. So we can play blast in our face cam. Hey there. Have you seen the rest of my body? Okay, so the movement looks good in our face cam view, but let's see how it looks in our shot cam. Hey there. Have you seen the rest of my body? Alright, so there's our V shape, and with that completed, that also completes this lesson. And we've got a few more movements to go to finish up the lip shapes. So what we can now do is move on to the next lesson where we'll start working on our M and B shapes.